Hi guys, today I will share to you how to download and install Davinci Resolve Studio 17.1. Let's begin. First, copy the text on the description below. Copy the text on the link description. And then paste on your browser. Click the box under it work. Archimeter. Okay, verify. Click here to continue. Back to link. And the contact cooling down. Wait. Let it finish. And go down, get link. Okay, until appears still like this. Cancel. Download. Download anyway. Start download. Don't forget to make sure you install the EDM on your computer to make it download fast. Okay, finish and open it. Just install like usual. And wait for it. Yes. I just need the Davinci Resolve Studio. Install. And next. Agree. Next. Install. Finish. Okay, open the correct file, copy the 3 files onto it. Okay, go to your application file, okay, and paste it, repaste the destination, do for all the current items. That's it, done. And then you run. Okay, everything run normal. Just open it, and you see, and the transition, there is no watermark, right? Everything is run smoothly, right? No watermark here. Yeah. You can run all the side effect, transition. Right? See, everything normal, no watermark. Okay, that's it, my tutorial. If you have a question, don't hesitate to write down in the comment column below, and don't forget to share and subscribe so that this channel is more developed and useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.